Goa Liberation Day, observed every year on December 19 in India, is regarded as one of the most significant days in the history of Goa. Located at around 250 miles south of Mumbai, Goa is one of India's smallest states and was previously under Portuguese possessions for about 450 years. The Goa Liberation Day is a celebration of the day Indian Armed Forces freed Goa from Portuguese rules on December 1961. The day is also particularly important for recognizing the achievements Goa has made in recent years, accomplishing milestones in the tourism sector and maintaining its position as having the highest per capita income among all the states and union territories in India. Goa Liberation Day is all about celebrating the independence of Goa from the Portuguese. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the regions known as the Konkan. It is bordered by the states of Maharashtra to the north and Karnataka to the east and south, as well as the Arabian Sea to the west. Its capital is Panaji, which lies on a north-central coast of the mainland districts. After being freed from Portuguese possessions, it's become a part of India in 1962 and was officially recognized as an independent nation in 1987. On August 15, 1947, when India gained its independence, Goa was still crumbling under 450 years of Portuguese rule. The Portuguese were among the first to recognize parts of India and refused to give up their hold over Goa and other Indian territories even in the wake of India's independence. Following a myriad of unsuccessful negotiations and diplomatic efforts with the Portuguese, the former Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru decided that military interventions was their only option. The 36-hour military operations conducted from December 18, 1961 was codenamed Operation Vijay, meaning Operation Victory, and involved attacks by the Indian Navy, Air Force, and Army. During the historic moments, Indian troops claims the Goa territory with little resistance, and General Manuel Antonio Veslo Silva signed the certificate for surrender for 51 years of Portuguese rule in the region officially came to an end and the territory was taken back by India on December 19, 1961. However, the action instigated mixed responses internationally at the time. Through many praised the move and backed India. Others, including Portugal, criticized the Indian forces' invasions of Goa. Now, Goa Liberation Day is marked by an abundance of events and festivals in Goa. A torchlight processions is initiated from their different locations in the states, eventually all meetings at the Azad Maidan. This is where a tribute is made to those who lost their lives in the takeover of Goa. Various cultural programs like Sugam Sangeet and Indian music genre with poetry in Kannada language are also held to honor to this occasion.